So today we are celebrating 6 super years of the SuperShape technology. 6 years ago, Ella was the very first person to receive our earliest prototype of the SuperShape back support. It's because of Ella that we pioneered this back support technology for wheelchair users that with substantial and significant body postures. I remember arriving at Ella's school and arriving there and seeing Ella so neat in her tie and her school uniform and her beautiful hair. And we arrived at the appointment to try your new back support that we'd made for you, Ella. And I had such an intense devotion to help Ella's posture and to bring the comfort that she needed in her back support. I wanted to help Ella to sit and function a lot better in her wheelchair. Ella has a lot of pain and a lot of needs within her posture to be maintained. And Ella has endured a lot of this surgery and a considerable amount of support is required for her. So I was setting myself up for something big, whether it was going to be a failure or success, to bring something to Ella that was a modular component was something that she had never received before. So the SuperShape journey began. So Ella, it all started with you. You got the first SuperShape and look we are now, eh? So my goal was to create a contoured back support for her and for those asymmetries, but without using a knife or anything customized. I wanted to shape the support around Ella's back without you doing anything special, anything customized, and we achieved that. I wanted to prove to therapists and clinicians and government funding agencies on how they can achieve these results by a standard and adaptable product without having to spend large sums of money on customized seating systems.
Ella's 22 now, and the last 6 years, funnily enough, have been the best that she's had. Seating is everything for her. She has a very strong push forward in her chair, and if there's any movement, it makes her feel unsafe. Her head would fall off, her headpiece. But once she's comfortable and she feels safe, then she can relate to the world, then she can relate to other people. She can be moved around any spaces in public or at home, knowing that she's safe, so she just has to concentrate on connecting. And that made a huge difference for us. We found you guys supported her with a really good back piece, and since then we haven't needed any more surgeries. Not, or even hospitals. I mean, this in particular has helped keep her stable, so even her bronchitis, her pneumonias, I mean, it keeps her upright, it keeps her shoulders back. Her health has never been better.
That's amazing.
Right across the board. Yeah, well, we want to thank you. As I said, big difference in our lives. I mean, she's everything to us, and to find a company that could provide this for us, work alongside us, we're very grateful.
So Ella, you've helped us achieve all this. It's because of you, you've helped us prove that we can do this. We can achieve these fantastic results. And Ella, I'm ever so grateful. So thank you so much, Ella. Thank you very much for joining us on the SuperShape journey.